Want to learn German fast? Then press the subscribe button. Click the bell notification button and look at the pronunciation in brackets. It makes learning easy. Hello, good day. Guten Tag. How's it going? Wie geht's? I'm fine. Es geht. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Morning. Morgen. Good evening. Guten Abend. Good night. Gute Nacht. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Thank you. Danke. Now don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification button and tune in next time for 10 more German words.